Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, you already know I had to give you ladies a sneak peek of how pretty and luscious these streaks are. Let's get into it. Hey, it's time to slay. I have this Dashley wig here. It's a deep part. Look how pretty the streaks are. The feature look, it's the curtain bangs, okay? Alright? That's how she looks straight out the box. Okay, I am actually leaving this part in with me removing the lace. You already seen that. I am putting my mousse mixture with my Got2b on top to blow dry and freeze the lifts back a little bit. I didn't want to completely smash them down before I started to style the baby hair, because that's the whole feature of this look is the curtain bangs. The curtain bangs are supposed to, cascade in one's face and give you that dramatic lift look. Okay, so after I styled the baby hair, I melted it in place on a low temperature but yet warm temperature. It takes a little longer than styling it on high, but it still gets the job done. So that's good. It's great. It's awesome. Yay. Okay, so I am doing the baby hair on this side. I do my swirlies in like a totally different way. I know y'all be like, why shouldn't I just get the hot curler and just curl it and just do her swirlies that way? Girl, it don't work for me. I haven't had much success no matter what size barrel of the hot curlers I done had. To me, synthetic hair is a whole nother monster, y'all. It's so much more of a different canvas than your typical real hair wigs. It's plastic, and to me, even when you want to do little swirlies and stuff, you have to keep that in mind, that it's heat that's the key to bending and contorting synthetic fibers to your will. Okay, at least that's what I found. So voila, she's done. Oh my god, I got real arrogant Nashae on it, like my mom said, and she is really giving me my diva lifts, cascading. These streaks is giving me everything too. Stay tuned. Hey JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and you already know I am back to show you ladies a really cute wig. And what's the name of this wig, girl? Let's get all into it. I have Miss Dashley Lace 28. And the feature of this wig is curtain bangs to give you that cascading look, that lift, without having to style it and manipulate it and do those lifts yourself, So that's pretty awesome. But I love my lifts, okay? I already had it in your face. I have unit 28 and a chunky 27. I am loving this color. And as you can see at the small little tab right here, this is a sensational series. She is a deep part. So she's one part, so you can either wear it on this side or wear it on that side, or straight like I got it. On the back, it shows you how it is on the reverse side. Once again, it's a one part deep part wig, okay? So ladies, before I rant and rave about if I like this wig, if I don't like her, what I do like about, what I don't like about her, a little hot, let's get off into the further details for unit 28. Let's get into unit 28 360 right here. Okay ladies, now that we're back from her 360, let's get into the close-up, okay? While wait for a good thing. This is your favorite part of every one of my videos. The close-up! Yay! Let's get into it. Okay ladies, now that I'm in your face for this here close-up, I love the fact that I didn't have to risk burning the mess about my wig, the lace or the lace's edge, trying to achieve this curtain bang look, because it's the feature of this wig. Even though I've been putting lifts in my wigs, I just love that lifted high, like stylish look that I put in my wigs all the time, y'all know. And so usually I put my clips in there while I'm styling it like this, and then I go in with my blow dryer and freeze the baby hair in place and freeze the lips in place. But I am so glad I didn't have to do that, because Miss Curtain Bang here does it for you, okay? So it was lifts made easy, right? Okay, so let me lean in and show you ladies the baby hair up close and personal, so I can go ahead on and get out y'all face. I've been having this wig on for a week now, and you know how it gets curl rubbed. Let me show y'all the baby hair on this side. This is a little bit of the lace showing over my hair. I didn't feel like putting any foundation right there, because the less the wind blows, girl, you ain't gonna see that. And you wouldn't never even know that if I didn't lift it up, okay? So yeah, this is the baby hair. I got really stylish and really creative with that side. Didn't do as much on this side, but somehow, some way, it goes together. And I just love the feature of this wig, once again, ladies, with this here curtain bang, okay? All right? But I think that's it for the close-up, ladies. Close-up over! Let me get out your face. Okay, ladies, I'm back to give you a few pros for Miss Curtain Bang Lace Unit 28. Pro number one, I absolutely love this curtain bang feature. As a person who enjoys putting nice, subtle, or sometimes dramatic lifts in my wigs, y'all, with my blow dryer on a high setting that I'm not doing anymore because I was burning my wigs or tinging the hair right at the roots and stuff. And Miss Dashley Curtain Bangs definitely takes that risk completely out the picture, y'all, because I don't even have to risk it, because it gives me featured lifts via the curtain bangs that you see on the stock card. So it's definitely true to the feature. The color is really pretty. Like I said before, ladies, I have her in the color Chunky 27. So it is definitely giving me my little streaks of caramel here and there throughout the wig. And I love that. You know, I love every time I play with it, a new caramel streak just, I don't know, starts to come front and center. As far as the curl is really pretty. It's more like combed out barrel curls, and the more you play with it, the more you comb it, brush it and stuff, it kind of comes together, you know, like this, and it forms like big juicy barrel curls or whatever. But I kind of like that kind of loose finger combed out barrel curl look at the bottom, because you are able to appreciate and see those really luscious streaks of 27 peek out. I think that's it for the pros, ladies. Let's make our way right on to the cons, and then from the cons we're gonna get into the rating, and then I'm gonna let you ladies go. Con numero uno, okay, is she sheds. She sheds a lot, y'all, and I've been having this wig on for a whole week, and I at least get a ball a day from this wig. All synthetic wigs shed. You'll be hard pressed to find a synthetic wig that don't. But this one, y'all, is a little bit above moderate shedding, okay? It's almost borderline perfume shedding. And so what I consider a shedder is when you comb your fingers through the hair, and by the time you look up, you at least got 3 to 4 strands in your hands and in between your fingers. That's what I consider a shedder. And Miss Unit 28, Hunty, she is a shedder. Let me show y'all the accumulated ball of hair I've gotten so far while filming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, like I said, shedding is definitely a con with this wig. You are going to run into shedding. You do get a few snags here and there, a few tangles, but this hair is really fine and really soft. It is like not even yucky at all. It's like that really silky, fine texture hair. And you do run across a few snags here and there, but it's really not nothing that a little bit of water and conditioner can't easily detangle, right? Is there any more cons for this lovely wig? The only thing that I feel like is a slight con is the curtain bang feature isn't as symmetrical as it looks on the stock card. Here's the style on the stock card. And so when you do kind of look at these bangs and you get to combing them in order to style them and get them to remain in place, they are a little choppy. So you kind of do get a little unevenness when brushing it out and combing it out to style it and wear it. It's not that bad to where I had to like break out the hot curler and like curl one side back like Bobby Boss. I feel like Bobby Boss is notorious for unsymmetrical bangs, but it's not really giving that. It's just giving a little bit of choppiness, you know? So yeah, she do kind of come out a little bit like that when you're doing something and hang your head. But because of the curtain bang feature and it gives you that lift, you kind of can run your fingers through it, throw them back like that, and be like, bam. Like that. Okay, ladies, I think that's it for the cons. Let's get off into what I rate Miss Unit 28, and then we'll call it a day. Boom, boom. Let's get off into the rating. All right, what do I rate Miss Dashley Unit 28 curtain bangs? I rate this wig a 7. Woo! All right. Okay, I rate this wig a 7 with a heavy heart, y'all, because I wanted to rate Miss Curtain Bangs at least an 8 or like an 8.5. But by me wearing her for a whole week, y'all, and having to battle the like #1 con for this wig, which is shedding, I've had to worry about getting the strands of this wig off of my clothes, making sure it is not on my shoulders like a parrot or down my back, you know, like cat hair or something. That kind of made me a little bit self-conscious. Look at that, a whole glob came out. You know, a little self-conscious about wearing this wig at times in public, y'all, because that is one of my pet peeves. I know I am an avid synthetic wig wearer. I love me a good pop and go. I love me a good synthetic wig, okay? I live by them and stuff. But what I don't like is when I have a shedder and it gets all over everything. It gets on my back, it gets on my clothes, and it starts to look like, ugh. You know? I hate a wig that just sheds like a dog in heat. Right. Dashley Unit 28 curtain bang really made it easy for me to achieve the same look on the stock card. Okay. But it came at a price, and that price was having to combat and deal and put up with profuse shedding. Okay, all right. So with that, ladies, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and wig review for Miss Curtain Bang Unit 28. Okay, all right. Come on now, Dashley. Okay, all right. Is this my first Dashley? Yeah, I think it is. I think this is the first Dashley I did on this channel. So, boop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow your girl at Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.